Hello friends, I am Dr. Prachi Patil, physiotherapist. Today I am here to discuss lifestyle changes in accelerated blood pressure or high blood pressure or hypertension and the exercises to perform if you are having hypertension and the precautions you need to take while doing exercise. So let's start. Our first aim is to understand what is blood pressure. Blood pressure is the pressure of the blood on the circulatory system is your blood pressure. Normal blood pressure is 120 by 80 mmHg in normal individual. Anything more than 140 by 100 mmHg is considered as high blood pressure. In normal conditions also your blood pressure may be on higher side, that is after exercises, then your build is high, if you are pregnant, if you are having fever, if you are having pain, if you are having emotional changes or emotional stress. The only way to monitor your blood pressure is by going to your doctor and keep a check on your blood pressure on regular basis. What are the risk factors for high blood pressure? The first and the most important risk factor is tobacco smoking. This is the most important factor contributing to high blood pressure. Second, if you're having a family history of high blood pressure. Third, if you're obese, if your weight is high. Fourth, if you are more on canned or processed food or on salty foods. And last would be stress. Now we'll discuss the home care program for the same. First is to quit smoking if you are smoking. Second, you need to reduce your salt intake to up to 1 gram per day, and the alternative can be rock salt. Third, you need to manage your weight. You need to reduce your obesity. Fourth, you need to reduce back to your canned foods or processed foods. Add more greens. Last would be we'll be adding some exercises so that you stay active and you won't be affected by the accelerated blood pressure. So let's start. We need to understand that whenever you are taking any protocol, any exercise protocol, you need to consult your doctor before you take it and start it. So let's start. First, we will discuss the most important exercise is mild cardiovascular exercises or aerobic exercises. Any kind of exercise which will raise your heart rate will help you to increase your circulatory effects. Aerobic exercises like walking, jogging, swimming, anything you love you can do for at least 150 minutes for a week, that is 30 minutes for 5 days. And one day should be heavy, that is moderate exercises should be done at least for 45 minutes. And the second would be the misconception and the myth people have these days for lifting weights. So lifting weights is not an issue. If you are lifting heavy weights, then there is an issue. If you are lifting more than your capacity, then you can have difficulty while dealing with hypertension. You need to understand while doing weights, you need to understand your weight should not be more than 50% of your capacity. You need to increase your repetitions for the same. If you are lifting 10 kgs, normally you need to lift 5 kgs and then do the repetitions more than what you were doing. Secondly, that your form should be correct. If you are not in your correct form or your weight is not proper, you may accelerate your blood pressure. That is, if your blood pressure is not in control, you could not actually continue your exercises for long. Behind is people who are weightlifters, they keep on lifting weights, and this can lead to long-term hypertension and constant immobility of the person, because the person is depressed that the person cannot lift weights. So let's understand how much weights you need to lift. That is not more than 50% of your capacity. If you can lift 10 kgs, you need to reduce it to 5 kgs if you are having hypertension, and the repetitions while doing should be more. This can be endurance based exercise. Third, you need to understand that while lifting weights, you should be in a position to talk or in a position to breathe in. So while lifting weights, you need not hold your breaths is the major take home message. And last is, you need to understand that your form is very important. If you are not doing with proper form, you will tend to increase your blood pressure. And tip of the day is, continue your medications. These exercises or these lifestyle changes are not an alternative for your blood pressure medicines, for your doctors. And I hope I solved all your queries related to high blood pressure. Thank you so much.